According to cosmic science, there are 8 universes and 18 dimensions. The 18 dimensions correspond to the 18 facets of a perfect double terminated crystal. No matter how many dimensions there are still enclosed by or constitute a perfect form, the universal cosmic hologram, symbolized by the double terminated crystal. From the point of view of cosmic science, when the cyclic closing is complete, a karmic decision automatically occurs. At this point, a further lower universe is created, which elevates the higher universes. That is why it also says in the Quran that on the day of decision, God's throne is brought into view and around are 8 angels. That implies that the throne has 8 sides. Each side corresponds to one of the 8 universes. We currently reside in the lower universe, the universe that the Quran says is adorned with lamps. This is the universe that the jinns attempt to traverse, to see if they can eavesdrop on the conversations of the high society. This is what is occurring in the next universe over, or the next universe up. It is from this universe that these divine thought forms, the quantum or soul atom, penetrate the membrane of this universe, creating soul quanta in different points of the universal membrane. It is impossible to see the entire universe from where we are, much less locate the other universes. Many people have theories that the universe is expanding or staying the same. But what is the universe? This is a good question. Is the universe the evolving space body of the divine organizer? Are we the most minute points of this body? Is the pure mind of God a whole other universe? If God is incomprehensibly vast, then the universe as a body or physical sensorium of God is equally vast, the galaxies being God's psychosensory outlets. Let us look again at the model presented by cosmic science. In the description of cosmic science, we go from the soul quantum to the ring, to the quantars and quasars, to the shooting out of Maury tubes. The Maury tubes correspond to parallel bipolar plasma currents attracted to each other, twisting into a double helix plasma vortex. Maxwell's fourth law states, there are no isolated magnetic poles. North and south poles always come in pairs. A type of bipolar Maury system characterizes virtually all celestial bodies from galaxy to planet. The creation of the Maury tubes brings us to the formation of galaxies, and from the formation of galaxies to the creation of supernovas and stars that have planets, and planets that have life. The point is, from the soul quantum, the whole of the galactic stellar cosmology is activated, right down to the creation of stars with planets, supporting entities capable of maintaining a possibility of thought and consciousness, subject to the law of karma dharma. By containing within its chakras or psychic generators, the soul bodies and consciousness of these planetary entities return to inform the soul quantum of its universal reflectivity. From the Maury tubes the galaxies are formed. There are 2 poles with 2 types of emissions, a Marca, north pole, emitting Mars and Car plasmic seed forms, and a Darka, south pole, emitting Dar and Car seed forms. Car is a type of electron particle for the initiation of life. Cosmic science says there are several thousand types of galaxies and galaxy clusters, each containing billions of galaxies. Each of the billion of galaxies contains billions of stars. Within the vast number of galaxy clusters, there are 2 types of galaxies, as mentioned earlier, Car dual with life and Mars gamma without life. It is interesting to note that in our solar system we have a planet called Mars that once had life. With the Car dual, life is separated from the inorganic, inert type of matter and becomes organic and dynamic. This separation creates the primary sense of the dual, the binary alteration resolved at a higher level of resonance. The human is tested to see if this dual creates either dualism or a sense of separation, which is merely an erroneous point of view, or whether that dualism is understood as a comprehensive complementary that creates whole. This is a comprehensive understanding of dual, as in car dual. According to cosmic science, a galaxy has 5 sets of rings, or a core extending out with 4 components. In the Mars Gamma galaxy, there is the core or nucleus at the center that was originally a type of quasar spun out from a soul quantum. This core emits gamma rays that do not allow life. Around the core is an unstable field surrounded by various gases and chemical reactions that create continuous instability. Then there is the field of supernovas, approximately 25 billion potential supernovas in all, encompassed by the SUM field. The SUM field is where all electrical lines of force are gathered, holding the field. Beyond that is the ring of cosmic dust, or galactic glow. In the Car-dual galaxy, the structure is somewhat different. The Mars Gamma consists of a core, the unstable field, the supernovas, the SUM field, and then the cosmic dust. The core of a Car-dual galaxy type emits alpha and beta rays, which are also recognized as 2 of the 4 sets of brainwaves. Alpha also refers to the double extended electron. The combination of these creates the life process. The formulaic description of the creation of the life process looks like this. Sem Car-dual, contains life, is a principal symbol of cosmic science. This is the formula for life, or for how life comes about and is maintained. Sometime after 2013, this will be studied more in depth when humans become more curious as to exactly how the composition of life came about. For example, they might want to explore how the generation of alpha and beta rays combine with the energy factors of these 2 particular UR runes, 10 and 64, to establish particular electrical lines of force, and how this could create the possibility of life within that galaxy.